Here we go. I'll just show the underside too, because it's full of holes. All those holes are hopefully going to help dry the bits of wood out. Basically this part up here is dry. This dry one, I guess this is more crunchy and a bit sharper on the palms of your hand, whereas this one's not quite as crunchy and is quite soft on the hands. I think after a week of drying out, it's going to be a lot better. Then I can basically fear over the top, glass it, and then this looks like an airplane wing the way it goes over like that, rather than the straight slides. But anyway, it grounded, it developed a crack, and so again I didn't really have resources to do all this, so I just had to basically router a groove down there, put a stop either end of the crack there, and then just epoxy it up. Okay, I've cut the glass to shape, masking it around where I don't want it to stick. Yeah, it's the day after the typhoon. It's yeah, it's actually really hot, up to 37 I think. And it's the wind, it's really hot, it's coming up from the equator, and it's actually, you feel the warmth in the wind. So actually the fiberglassing job came out alright, actually better than I thought it was going to do. I have got parts under here that I'm not happy with. That white stuff, actually it's just solid epoxy, these bits here, little bits around here. Can't really see it here, but it's actually pretty flat along there, and the same with the bottom as well. Just got that slight taper towards the edge, which is what I want. But yeah, what a vast improvement on what it was. I'm pretty happy. Okay, I've just put another extra layer of glass on the bottom of the rudder. This is just so it's actually a weak point I think on the boats, because if you do drag back or for whatever reason and you do scrape through the glass, then you're straight into the wood, and it just because it runs that way up, you just end up soaking up the wood as far as soaking up the water. It's been a couple of days since I was down here. I've been away putting some sails and stack packs and new halyards on another boat. This is how you do mast top. Very simple. But man, it's a long way down. So now we're back. It's this has all gone off really hard and well. This is I've got a high spot here and a high spot there, basically both this end here and that. move fast. The epoxy I put on this morning just before lunch has gone off in the heat a lot faster than I expected. A little bit soft, kind of malleable, so I'm going to cut off on the blue line all the way down, and then I can touch up with a sander. Ta-da! Hello waspy holes for the spiders inside. Yeah, so that's the edge of the glass. I'll feather that off. This lot's going to be refilled with a fairing compound, the same stuff we use on the rudder. So again, I'll put those dowels in here to make sure they're all okay. They don't clog up, and then I'll do this sort of edging on it again. Well, a bit more than a few weeks, probably a month or so since I've updated a new video. Mainly because I have been so busy scraping these holes, getting it back to the basic the epoxy fairing coat, I guess, over the glass, that it's just been I've just been exhausted, too tired to do anything. Plus, you know how 4 weeks of scraping doesn't make for a great video. So anyway, I'm just about to finish now. I've just got just another hole to do, and then it's all done, which is great. Then I can get onto the painting side, and I'll explain what I'm going to be painting with and why I made the choices.